What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to show you how to prepare salmon roe for eating. I know most of you don't actually eat it, and honestly, that really surprises me. You see, I know for a fact that in stores, ready-to-eat caviar is pretty expensive. But here's a little secret. It's a real delicacy, and rich people absolutely love it. Yet, most of my fellow fishermen just use it as bait for salmon. Can you believe that? I really hope many of you will give it a try. Prepare it yourselves and taste it. Trust me, once you do, you'll see why it's such a treat. So, to start, bring some water to a boil, and don't forget to salt it well. Next, take the salmon eggs itself and salt it really well. Don't be afraid to overdo it. Chances are you'll actually undersalt it. Once the water starts boiling, let it cool down, just enough so it's comfortable for your hands. Now place all the roe into the water and let it soak. Let the roe warm up a bit. Once it's slightly warm, it becomes firmer, which is perfect for the next step. And now we've reached the most important part. For your convenience, I've trimmed the video down to 1/3 of its length and even sped it up 3 times. Honestly, it's not hard at all. All you need to do is gently massage the roe with your fingers. When it starts to get a bit tougher, just put it back into the warm water and move on to the next piece. There's really no point in narrating this part, so either just watch or skip ahead to 4:29. I've cut the video down quite a bit, as I mentioned before, but I still wanted to show the full essence of the process. Personally, I don't like when everything looks too easy in videos, and then when I try it myself, it turns out it's not that simple at all. So here, you can see exactly how it really happens. Next, I take a strainer and rinse all the roe under cold water. Also, while the roe is in the strainer, make sure to move it around gently with your hands. That's the only way to wash out all the little bits and impurities. This step also takes quite a bit of time. I rinsed it so well that my roe ended up tasting almost completely unsalted. Of course, you can add more salt later, but it's better to get it right from the start. That's why I recommend salting it until it seems like you've added too much. The roe should look completely white. Some people even salted so much that a small piece of potato dropped into it floats to the top. Next, you can seal the prepared roe and put it in the freezer. Personally, I really enjoy the roe on a buttered piece of bread, but I think it can be added to many other dishes as well. Whenever you want, just take it out of the freezer, let it thaw, and it's ready to eat. I really hope you'll enjoy my recipe. Try it out and fall in love with caviar too. I also set aside some of the roe to use as fishing bait. Thank you for visiting my channel. See you in the next videos.